Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I recently just came back from Korea and I picked up a whole bunch of new Korean skincare products that I thought I would share with you guys. So I'm going to do a little K-beauty haul for you. And I'm pretty sure I pretty much picked all of this up from Jung, and I was kind of dumb and left all of my skincare shopping till the last day I was in Korea. So I didn't actually get to stock up on all the things that I wanted, but I still have quite a few things here. So I thought I'd just share them with you guys. But first, I'm just going to talk about the products that I'm stocking up on. So I've already used these, and of course it is Innisfree. I love my Innisfree products. I just stocked up on the green tea hyaluronic cream, so I picked up 2 of these, and these just look like they changed the packaging, so I was like kind of confused when I went into the Innisfree store. But it's just the green tea seed hyaluronic cream. It's the moisturizer. I love this product and I ran out so quickly, so I had to stock up on these. I also had to stock up on the serum. I think Innisfree is most known for the green tea serum, so I also picked up 2 of these ones. This is the green tea seed hyaluronic serum. So I pretty much use everything from the green tea line besides their cleanser, which I use from, it's like blue, I think it's like C something, but I think they're discontinuing the cleanser, which is super sad because I've been using that for years. But this is the serum. They changed the packaging. It used to be green and now it's like this beige cream color. I don't really know how I feel about the new packaging, to be honest. I don't think it's that cute, but hopefully the products still work as well as they used to despite the package change. So that's the serum. I also picked up this set because it just had everything that I normally use in it. I think this comes with 2 toners and let me open this up. I think it comes with like 2 toners and maybe another moisturizer. I'm not too sure, I forgot. There is the green tea hyaluronic skin. I think this is toner. This bottle is actually quite cute compared to the old bottle. I actually like how this one looks. And then it comes with the lotion, so the green tea hyaluronic lotion. And then it comes with like a few small pieces of what is this? So the hyaluronic cream. I think this is the moisturizer. Sorry, this is the one that I bought the big jar of. And then the serum, which is the other thing that I bought a big jar of. But it came in a set, so I just picked up this is like perfect for traveling as well. So it comes with the toner and the lotion, and then just like a sample size or travel size of the serum and cream moisturizer. Love that, so freaking cute. And while I was in Korea, I definitely had to stock up on sunscreen. So I actually picked up like 2 different types. So I brought, I don't even know what this brand is called. Oh, Round Lab. So I bought the Round Lab sunscreen. This one came in like a set at Jung. I think it was like their value pack. But it is... This is pretty big. So it comes with this big one. For sunscreen, that's like massive. 150 mils, and then a small little one for traveling. I think that this is the gel and then this is the sunscreen that's really famous. There's like no English on this, so I actually don't really remember, but this went viral on TikTok, so I had to pick it up. But I also picked one up from like a random store, so this is the smaller version. I think this is the size that it normally comes. I swear if this isn't sunscreen. Oh my gosh, I don't think this is sunscreen. Fuck. I thought that this was sunscreen, but I feel like it might be a cleanser, because why is this bottle so big? Like, what the hell? It's so big. And then I realized that this one says SPF 50 on it, so this one has to be a sunscreen. But I'm kind of upset because I got this from my friend, so now I don't have this sunscreen to try. I really wanted to stock up on sunscreen while I was in Korea, but the fact that I haven't tried any of these yet, I was like kind of too scared to like buy a whole bunch in case I didn't like it. But I'm so upset. I think this is cleanser. I actually have no clue what this is because I can't read Korean. I need to Google translate this later. but it came with a 150ml and then a 20ml. I don't know what it is. It says on the package that it's a #1 award, beauty award at Olive Young, so hopefully it's good. But this is a sunscreen. I would open it, but because it's a gift, I'm not going to. So upset. I also picked it up in a roller. So the Round Lab sunscreen stick. This is so cute. I love the packaging of this. It's absolutely adorable. So cute. But I heard really good things. Apparently this is good for dry skin, which is why I really wanted to try it, because I have dry skin. But I also picked up the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, because this was also the other sunscreen that kind of went viral on TikTok. So let me just quickly open this up. So apparently, like, at the moment, these are the two sunscreens that I see get spoken the most about on TikTok. This is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotic. But I did also have to pick up the sun stick. So apparently this one is for oily skin. And it looks like that. It's so freaking cute as well. I love these because they're like portable. You can just keep them in your purse. But I do tend to get like oily throughout the day whenever I'm wearing makeup, so I wanted to pick up the matte one as well, just in case like this one was too oily for me. But I picked these two what are they called again? Sun sticks up. Can't wait to try them. But they're literally so adorable. They're like portable, so they fit in your purse. So convenient, and you can apply it on top of makeup, which is kind of a game changer. Oops. I also picked up this sunscreen, which is the Red Blemish Soothing Up Skin from Dr.G. I've heard a few good things about Dr.G. I went to go get a facial done in Korea, and the lady was like, apply sunscreen, like apply a lot of sunscreen. And I didn't have any on me, so I kind of just ran into the store and wanted to buy like a random sunscreen. I actually wanted to buy the sunscreen from this brand, the Jung Etude House sunscreen, because I love their moisturizers. But the lady told me to try the Dr.G one because she said it was like really good and it was pretty much the same price. It also came in a value pack, so it came with two. I already opened the value pack, but apparently it's really good, and saying that it was like really gentle, and I don't know what she said, but whatever she said sold me, so I had to pick it up, and I quite like it so far. It's pretty good for like sensitive skin. I'm pretty sure that's all the sunscreen that I picked up, but I did also want to try this Red Blemish Clear Moisturizing Cream. This one also came in a value pack with two, and I think that they had like a collab with this character. I actually don't know what this character is called, because both of these products came with two and then a cute little pen, which was actually really adorable. But my brother has like acne, so he picked this up, and I don't know if he's tried it yet, but the packaging is really cute. I also had to stock up on this Jung moisturizer. I've seen so many people rave about this product, so I really wanted to try it, and it's the Etude House Jung moisturizer. My sister swears by this product. She's been using it for years, so we pretty much bought like a 6-pack or a 4-pack, I don't remember. She took all of the others with her, but I have two of them here with me now, and the packaging is really cool. I didn't even know Etude House had skincare, and I was like seeing some people on TikTok rave about this, and apparently it's meant to help your skin barrier, which I really need, because I think I like low-key destroyed my skin barrier during COVID. Trying to do like the scraping thing was not good, so I really want to try this out. But it's called the 2X Barrier Intensive Cream, and I used to love Etude House when I was back in high school. They have never done me wrong, so I feel like this will be good. I did also pick up this Manyo Pure Cleansing Oil. This was like a value pack at Olive Young as well, so I think it comes with other stuff. I think they comes with just like travel sizes of it. Pretty much all of these items I picked up because TikTok recommended to me, so I don't really know much. But this one comes with a 300 milliliters of pure cleansing oil, Nourish and Refreshing, and then two small travel ones. So this little 25 ml, and can't get it out, it's all the way at the bottom. I don't want to break this because I need to put it back in here later. Well, I hope you can see that, but it is, I think, just a 55 milliliter of the cleansing oil. So I think it's good. You can use them to like travel and stuff like that. I also had to pick up some toner pads. There was like so many different toner pads that I wanted to try, but I low-key couldn't find some of them. So this was the only one that I ended up getting, which is the Tea Tree Trouble pads. This one came in a value pack as well, so it came with 2 of them. And I just heard, like, I think toner pads are becoming a really big thing in Korea at the moment for like achieving glass skin. It's so heavy though, so this is gonna add some extra weight in my luggage, but people say that they use these before like applying makeup, and then apparently they're really good. But this packaging is so cute, and apparently tea tree is really good for your skin. But it even comes with like little tongs for you to like take them out. I cannot wait to try these. I've heard so many good things. But there was also like another brand that I wanted to try, but I couldn't find it, so I wasn't sure if it was a Korean or a Japanese toner pad brand. But it was called Needly. I really need to find that because I'm very curious. And lastly, I did have to stock up on some, what are these called again? Pimple patches. So they're so cheap in Korea. They're not too expensive in Australia, but I was like, might as well. So we picked up 4 packs of pimple patches. They did also give us like free masks. They made us sign up as a member for Olive Young, and then they just gave us free masks, which I was like, why not? Cool. So they're like aloe vera, soothing. This one is the Aerial Aloe Plus H Soothing sheet mask. And I think they threw in some samples as well. So they gave us these 2 dual balance sheet masks. I really wanted to stock up on face masks, but I just like didn't know which one to get, and because we were like low-key in a rush to get to the airport, I just didn't end up getting any. But it's okay because I'm in Japan, so hopefully I can stock up on different types of sheet masks this year. But that's pretty much everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!